The science has shown that COVID is dangerous. COVID can kill you. Who wants to die? So people must take responsibility for their own actions.
3 days and 3 weeks into the Philip J. Pierre-led administration and a test of a lifetime, COVID-19 numbers are skyrocketing and the nation is seeking answers. At Thursday's press conference, Prime Minister Pierre was quizzed on his response to the sharp rise in COVID-19 positive cases. According to the Prime Minister, his administration has broken away from its predecessor's approach in managing the COVID-19 crisis. The new government leader says the policy will be driven by the science.
We are having an increased vaccination drive. It's very simple. The science has shown that the vaccination plus the public health matters are the only way for now that will stem the surge of COVID. So our first approach is to get people vaccinated. And very soon, in fact, tonight, we're going to be having a discussion on vaccination. We cannot force people to get vaccinated, but we can ask them that vaccination may save their lives. So it's going to be constant education and constant discussion and constant trying to get people to understand that they have to vaccinate for their own good and the good of their families.
Prime Minister Pierre says his administration will make it easier for those wanting to be vaccinated. He welcomed the option of the Pfizer vaccine donated by the United States. But the vaccination campaign has hit a snag. Against a barrage of misinformation, vaccine hesitancy has flourished. Prime Minister Pierre says his administration will combat the misinformation head-on with credible and sound information.
We are going to be increasing the monitoring. We're going to be increasing contact tracing. But the theme of this government is education, education, education. Education on the vaccination, education on the public health issues that we have to follow.
In the face of strong criticism, the administration is standing its ground in its approach to combating the upsurge in COVID-19 numbers, placing consultation and education at the center of a science-driven policy. The new approach, a departure from the previous administrations, may take some getting used to by the public, anxious for a turnaround in the towering COVID-19 numbers. Stanley Lucian for the HTS News Force.